Hi everyone, it's Shonjuanaka with Signature Choice Realty. Today I'd like to talk to you all about how to make your home stand out as the market begins to shift. Over the past 2 years, it seemed very easy to sell your home with minimal work or updates. As the market begins to shift, sellers will need to put some thought into their home before placing it on the market. Buyers are looking for updates and your unique selling point. As a seller, you should be thinking about what makes your home stand out and how you can make some improvements without breaking the bank. A fresh coat of paint, updating the windows to make them more energy efficient, a little curb appeal, or even upgrading the bathroom could be the one thing that makes a big difference in your home being sold in the upcoming market. Let's work together to get your home ready for the market. Give me a call at 334-294-8599 so I can help you get your house sold.